In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into ERPNext using FrappéCloud. To get started, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar or the search bar, type FrappCloud and press enter. You should see the official FrappéCloud website appear in the search results. Go ahead and click on that result to open the FrappéCloud homepage. This is the platform that will host your ERPNext site and make it accessible online. Once you're on FrappéCloud, look for the section where you can browse or search for apps. In that list, you'll find ERPNext, which is the enterprise resource planning application we want to use. Click on ERPNext to open its app page. This page usually contains a short description of the app, some details about features, and an option to install it. On the ERPNext app page, you'll see a button labeled Install. Click on this button to start the installation process. If you're not already signed into FrappéCloud, you may be asked to log in or create a FrappéCloud account first. Make sure you use an email and password you can easily remember and keep your credentials secure. Next, you'll be taken to the installation setup screen. Here, one of the first options is to select your country. Choose the country that best matches your organization's location or the region where you'll primarily operate. This helps ERPNext apply the correct defaults, such as date formats, currency, and sometimes localized settings that matter for reporting and compliance. After selecting your country, you'll need to type in a domain for your ERPNext site. This is essentially the web address where you'll log in to ERPNext later. Pick something short, clear, and related to your organization or project. Avoid special characters and double-check the spelling, because this is what you and your team will type into the browser to access the system. Once your country and domain are set, click on the option to create the site and install ERPNext. The platform will now provision your site, set up the database, and install all necessary components. This might take a few minutes, so be patient and avoid closing the browser tab while it's working. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts. These may include setting up an administrator account, entering basic company information, and confirming initial settings. When that's done, you'll be able to log into your new ERPNext site using the domain you chose and start exploring your ERP system